Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today we are going to do my process video for newcraftday.com, and this is diamond painting. I was unfamiliar with this when they contacted me about doing a couple of videos showing their product and using their product. And of course, after going over and watching a couple of YouTube videos, found it very, very interesting, so I went ahead and agreed. So I've already done the unboxing and showed you guys what I had ordered from there. So, guys, this is so much fun. I think maybe I'm addicted. So this is as satisfying as, well, if you find it satisfying, and I do, like coloring, coloring in the lines. And once it's done and completely colored, how satisfying that is, this is no different. I mean, seriously. I mean, once you get it all together, it is just like, because I did like all of one color, did them all one color at a time. It was so satisfying. And this is not completely done, but I'm going to show you guys. Look at my little snowman. Isn't it cute? So this is the way it started out. You can tell the difference. Oh man, aren't those just, oh, it's so much fun. So I did just about all of them, only because I was sitting here doing it while I was blasting my music. So this is how it comes out. And again, you have everything in each kit that you need. This is our gnome kit. Again, it's packaged. You have everything that you need. And then this is our 5DB wind chime pendant with mosaic kit. So that's it. The cutest little bee in there. I cannot wait to do that one. But I thought I would start out with a snowman because, after all, it is Christmas time. So if you can see on these, on each one, you have a letter or a number. Okay, and then on our bags here, you have the letter or the number or the symbol or whatever it is, if you guys can see that right here. So that tells you where to place them on here. Okay, so we have our little boat with our little ridges. This is where we are going to put our, let's see, what did they call those? I forgot what they called them. Anyway, that's where we're going to put these. Okay. Yeah, so that's where we're going to put those. And it also comes with the pen that you need to pick them up with, and a little square here. It's got a protective coating on both sides, so you just lift up one side and then you take your pen and you just stick it down in the wax like that to get wax up in there in your pen here. So what you want to do is fill this part right here with wax so that you will be able to pick up your beads. Okay, and then you just put that back over it until you need it again. Alright, so I have, like I said, already did almost the majority of this, but it looks like we still have this one, which is an O, so we can see the O's there. So this one right here is the O. So what I'm going to do is just snip the top off and then put me a few in our little boat here, little container with the ridges, and then you're going to shake it, and if you'll look, by doing that, it turns over, it turns these over, and you're able to pick them up because they're turned out, excuse me, they are turned over the correct way. Yep. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take your pen and just put it over the top of it and press down, and then let's see if we can go in a little bit farther, and then you're just going to take it, because this is sticky, and you're just going to place it over the top of your number or letter or symbol, whichever the case may be. It's super quick, and I did find it so satisfying. Just like, coloring. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Super cute. So these right here are the ones that we just placed, And now we've got to do the same colors over here. So we will go ahead and place these. So much fun. And as you can see, it really takes no time at all. This pen with that wax picks those up so quickly. Super fun. And like I said, to me it is very satisfying. And we're going to have this cute little snowman. Look at how cute. So that one's done. And now we'll come over here and do the other side. And if you get one crooked or put it down in the wrong place, you can get just a pair of tweezers and just take it right off and put it in the correct spot. Not that that's happened to me, but yeah, I had actually saw it in a YouTube video that I had watched. Oh, look at there. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so he is now all the way done, but we got a T and a V. So what we are going to do is, figure out what I did with this, is we're going to slide these back in here. Alright, so that's done. So now we have, look, here's a T. So this is our T right here. And these are a little bit bigger. And we only need one, so I'm just going to barely snip off the corner of that, since all I need is one. So that is the T there. So again, no matter the size, it will pick it up. And it goes right there. Look at how cute. Okay, so there's another one of those to get it back in its container. There we go. Okay, so the last one is a V. So we just find our V and see which one it is. Because see, like this one's an equal sign, and that looks like a snowflake. Alright, we need a V. That's a Y. Aha, here's our V. So again, since we only need one out of it, I'm just going to barely snip that corner. I got two out, but that's okay. And then we will pick up one of those, and that goes there. Look at how awesome, guys. Wow, I love it. Okay, what do we do with the... Here it is. Alright, so we will... Okay, I'll put that back in after the video's done. Okay, so there they are. Isn't that so cute? So cute. Yep, it was so much fun. Okay, so now we have the... Just going to put that through there. And then this is going to go through our clasp, I think is how you say that. Or I said we were anyway. Okay, there we go. Give ourselves some more to work with. And then this just goes through there. And voila, keychain. How cute is that? You can hang it on your purse. Look at how cute. Alright guys, so that is my process video. And this is for newcraftday.com. And this is their diamond painting. And again, you know, in these kits you get absolutely everything that you need in here. So we have everything in here to make these cute little gnomes. So I want to thank newcraftday.com for contacting me. I honestly knew nothing about this, and it is so much fun. I absolutely love it. So I will definitely be over there shopping for sure. Here's our other little, and I think I'm actually going to use these as like to hang from Christmas gifts this year, I think is what I'm going to do, because these are just too stinking cute. Alright guys, thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I will make sure to leave newcraftday.com's link to their website below, as well as a link to these 3 products here that I did the unboxing at. I also want to let you guys know that they are having a special. If you spend $50, you can get 2 free products and 5% off your order, and that order code is NewCraftDay05. So yeah, I will make sure to have all of that in the description box. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me today and hanging out and taking a look at these products. Absolutely love them. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.